Today I show you installation of cold 03 plus welding. Connect 220 volt AC supply to the socket. Connect gas supply. Tight hose clip. Now we can connect the torch. Now we connect the pendant. This is the torch switch. Now we connect the earthing. This is a slot. You can fix in slot and move it clockwise. Connect this earthing to job. Now we can connect coiled body first to torch head. Next, take a electrode and collet. Connect from back side and use long cap. Tight it. Keep 1 mm distance from your ceramic to collet. For this helmet, use this interconnecting cable. Connect to this pendant, and another end is connected to back side of machine. Now switch it turn. First we keep this switch on welding mode. This is current control pot. This we can increase up to 200. Second, this is the mode. First is the spot welding. This is the spot welding. In this mode, we can select a time. This weld time we can select it. Second is the continuous mode. Third is the pull welding mode. Okay. Now first we go to the spot welding mode. Before that we started a gas. How to set a gas? Open the gas cylinder and give a pressure up to 2 kg. Open a flow meter of 5 liters per minute. Now machine on spot welding mode. We keep a time for 50 milliseconds. Increase the time. This goes up to 90 milliseconds. So this is the time is increases for a spot. Second is the continuous mode. Here we can set the interval time as well as the welding time. Now we keep both the 15-15. Start the welding. This interval time increase up to 80. And weld time is also increase up to 90. 99. Now the time, welding time and interval time both are increases. Start. Third is a pull weld. Here normal welding is there. Start. Here we can increase the current from 50 to 200. This is the normal welding. Thank you.